Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the last trading day of the week, and I hope guys you have banked amazing profit this week. Today was the market was challenging, but we managed amazing profit, especially at the New York session. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in real time to help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD and the pound dollar and the dollar CAD. All right, so Euro USD, as you can see, I had it, I broadcast my analysis review London morning. And at the New York session yesterday, we had amazing trade, guys. We have taken all these long because we were expecting this breakout and price nicely broken. And we have taken all pullbacks until this one. After that, we had also a counter short trade. So technically, sort of like we were expecting price might going to respect this level and expecting short. So that's why our bias was short and bank few PPs today. Let me share with you how I analyze market and even yesterday at the New York session and this morning. All right, so let me share with you guys. As you can see here from yesterday, analysis review, if you haven't seen it, the video link is given in the video description. So we have taken this long trade here, and that was a pretty straightforward breakout trade here. And afterwards, as mentioned, we are keep taking a pullback. As you can see here at the 14, just before the opening bell, I explained my trader look for pullback. We have another beautiful pullback because this journey, we really enjoy all these pullbacks. We announced through live audio commentary. And most of the traders, they were expecting price might going to reverse, but I was keep updating my analysis, helping them don't look at the short unless the price is going to break the recent low. Otherwise, keep taking a long. As you can see here, we have another breakout long here. We keep taking a long trade here. As you can see, most of the retail traders, once the price big move, they're expecting reversal. I say, guys, as long as the momentum is bullish, just keep taking a pullback or breakout. You can see here, breakout, beautiful. Right, so once the price hit to the major resistance level, that's what I explained to my trader look for, counter possibility. But again, which is explained to my trader, look here, price develop a false breakout. If the price is going to break this one, then short, otherwise long here. As you can see here, price develop a false breakout and price broken the previous low. Even after the breakout, price retest. So this was the counter short trade here. As you know, we are intraday traders, so we always take both trades, counter and the trend, as long as the valid technical entry. So after that, basically, as you can see here, today London morning session, I explained to my trader look for, this is the opportunities we are looking into it. And you can see here price nicely broken, and after the breakout pull back short, because our bias was sort of developed a short at this level, because this was the major resistance level on Euro USD. Breakout after the breakout short trade here, and then again at the New York session today, we were looking a short trade here. As you can see here, breakout, 1 2 pull back short trade here, bank amazing profit on small profit, but make a good profit on Euro USD. All right, so pound dollar, if you look at the cable, as mentioned yesterday, we were looking this breakout, so price nicely rejected as mentioned in my yesterday analysis. So we have taken all these pullback until the price hit this resistance level. So we bank amazing profit. So I was expecting price might get a reverse, but as I said to you, our target was this one. We banked some profit, and afterwards we had a counter short trade as well. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Especially we managed beautiful pips yesterday, guys, at the New York session. Okay, so that was this was the trade. As you can see here, pullback, breakout pullback yesterday, another pullback, and this was another very small counter short trade here when the price hit to this level, and afterwards price shoot up, as you can see in 4 hour. Then I broadcast another analysis instantly. As you can see here, beautiful long trade here, and another beautiful profit. And once the price hit to the respected this level, as you can see here, resistance level, then I did another broadcast analysis yesterday evening once we banked some profit, because we were really enjoying it. And afterwards, look for, guys, as you can see here, price broken this one and develop a false breakout, and price retest and retest. So technically we were expecting a short trade here, but I explained to my trader look for the safest trade to look for this breakout, which price nicely reversed. As you can see here, beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit yesterday. And even at the market at the Asian session, explained to my trader, as long as the momentum is bearish, just keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, we have another beautiful pullback. So this morning, as you can see, price reverse, and afterwards we have another pullback. So technically we were having a challenging market in the pound dollar. You can see here most of the trades we came out at the break even. We have this breakout which we came out at the break even one. We also had based on that, once the price developed a false breakout, we have another short trade here which we came out at the break even. So these two though analysis, we came out at the break even, but we managed very good pips on the dollar CAD, and we managed very good pips on almost of the yen pair. Let me share with you guys the dollar CAD. That was beautiful. As you can see here in 4 hour, we had this breakout previously. We have a shock on short trade here. We were expecting, based on this rejection, we were expecting a long trade here, but as I said to you guys, we trade what we see it. So we have taken a short trade here this morning, banked some profit at the New York session, which I explained to my trader. Now we have another pattern is developed. This is what we call the falling wedge, and that's basically explained to my trader. This is the sign of reversal, and if the price is going to reverse, respect this level, then I'm expecting a huge long trade here. So we had this beautiful long trade here, and let me share with you guys. This was the beautiful. Okay, so you can see here that was the beautiful short trade here as mentioned here. And at the New York session, that was a beautiful long trade here, explained to my trader based on the 4 hour. Our bias was developed to reversal. As you can see here, price even broken after the breakout, price retest, beautiful pullback, long trade here, bank amazing profit on dollar CAD. But dollar, all the yen pair, we had amazing trade. We have this beautiful breakout. As you can see here, that was the beautiful breakout. This one, price nicely broken. You can see here, based on this analysis, let me share with you the intraday analysis, because we were looking in 4 hour, price rejected. You can see here long trade here. After that we have a short trade here, but we really enjoyed the euro yen and the pound yen. You can see here that was the trade we were expecting. Looks the price is keep respecting this level, and if the price is going to keep respecting, but if you look at here, this was we looking at. So we have taken a short trade here, all these pullbacks. Let me share with you the quickly analysis of the euro yen. That was a beautiful short trade today. As you can see here, that was a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, as always, pullback. You can see here 1 2 3 pullbacks, and once the price respected this major resistance level and banking some profit, and the last trade we had it, that was the once to be banking some profit, price develop another symmetric triangle pattern, which is again breakout. Once the price break, as you can see here, after the breakout, another pullback, another pullback. So we have taken really all the short trades, especially at the New York session today. So you can see guys how we analyze the market in 4 hour, how we analyze the entries and exit in intraday, and banking profit every single day. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. If you are struggling in Forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time. Once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. And I have a very limited place because I'm very selective in terms of taking traders on board. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and have a nice weekend guys. Until next time, all the best.